No, it's good now. It's good. That's good.
No, leave it there. Leave it there.
Lena, be careful. It's gonna fall on you. Oh.
What are you doing, Lena? Lena, be careful. You're gonna fall. Oops, oops. Don't throw the ball when she's standing there.
Wow. Good.
Avram, please don't throw it while she's standing there. Oh. Avram, you're full out. Be careful. What are you doing, Lena? How did you get there? Be careful. Oh, be careful. Don't kick it to your sister, please. What happened?
Remember.
What? What happened?
This kitty. This is kitty. Look at this is kitty. There.
Oh.
Where's the garbage?
There. Is it better?
Look at my phone.
Lena wants the ball.
I don't know how to make a basket.
Let Lena.
Out, Lena.
Do it high. Do it high. Do it up high. Here, do it in the other basket. It's lower for you. The other basket. Over there, the red one.
I'm taller than it.
Yay! Oh!
Back up. You back up.
Yay! Did you throw it in? Let her throw it again. Let her throw it again. Give it to her. Let her throw it again.
We take turns.
I know. Okay, let her do one more. Oh, Sammy. Yay!
That's not how you play it.
Oh, she's little. She doesn't know.
You want me to do it again?
I'll get the chips.
No.
My chips. Why?
כי אני רוצה שהם יאכלו, ואם תביא את זה, אז הם ירוצו לאכול את זה. עוד מעט אני עושה להם משהו לאכול, והם יכולים לאכול צ'יפס עם זה ביחד. אברהם, תביא את הכדור השני שהם יכולים לשחק גם. Play together, Sammy. Play together. Wait a minute, Lena. Saba went to get your ball. Close the door, Avram. You're letting bugs in. Oh boy, Sammy, be careful.
The other one. Why are you putting it there? Got it?
No, go get it. Go get the ball. Not from here. Go down the steps and go over there and get it. Over there. Sammy. Can you get it? You need help from Saba? Avram, can you get this ball for them, please?
Where's the blue one?
Over there. He can't get it. Can you go get the blue ball, please?
Oh,
Then Sammy, don't keep throwing it there. Lena, where are you? I'm coming to find you. Uh-oh. There's Lena. That's not a good idea for you to go down there. Come over here. Yeah, come over here. Lena, come. Come over here. Don't you want to play with the balls? Oh boy! Oh, look at that! Look where you kicked it! How did you do that, Sammy? Lena, where's your ball? Oh, it's over there. Go get the blue ball, Lena. It's over there, Lena. Lena. You don't want to get the blue ball? Careful. The blue ball is over there. Oh, all better now. Whoa. come up here, please?
No.
Go get the blue ball. It's over there. Go see where the blue ball is. Yeah, keep going. It's over there, Lena. Keep going. Oh boy. Go get the blue ball, Lena. Keep on going. It's over there. Here, come over here and I'll show you. Lena, come up here and I'll show you where the ball is.
There.
It's over there. Sammy, I heard that you had somebody come and visit you at soccer today. Who came to see you at soccer today? Saba? He watched you play soccer with your friends? Did you do a good job? I hear you did a good job. Oh, here comes Lena with the blue ball. Oi, what happened? Did she fall? So Sammy, what else did you do today? Did you go swimming?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Did you have a good time? Yeah? Did you do a good job? Did you do a good job in the pool? Yeah? You swam good? What do you want?
Go swimming too. Oh.
What do you want to play? The blue ball's up here, Lena. It's over there. Where are you going? Oh, Elena, we're going to have to close that section off so you can't go up and down from there. That's a nice hiding spot for you. Be careful, Lena. You're going to hurt yourself under there. Come here. I want to tell you something. Come over here. I want to tell you something. It's a secret. Come here. What happened to the red ball? It's in the bushes? Lena, what are you doing? Careful you don't hit your head. Good girl. Oh boy. Don't throw it to your sister. Hey, 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 hey. Is that a stick? Let me see, let me see. Come here. Oh, you threw it on the grass? Where are you going? Okay, you get it. Oh no, you can't go in there. No, 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 no. Don't go in there. Get a different stick. Find another one. No, 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 you can't go in there. Lena, you cannot go in there. Find another stick. Peekaboo! I see you! Oh, Elena, I love you.